So you want a modern CD player, but you can't decide between the FiiO DM13 and the newer DM15. Today we break it down in plain English. Let's go. Both players are built from solid metal. They feel premium in your hands, but the DM15 takes it up a notch. It's got a see-through lid so you can actually watch the disc spin, which looks really cool. It also has a proper volume knob instead of tiny buttons, and all the controls are neatly lined up on the front. The DM13 has the controls scattered around, which can feel a bit awkward at first. Here's where things get interesting. The DM13 sounds warm and smooth. It's great for casual listening, but the mid-range can sometimes feel a little hazy. The DM15 fixes that. It uses a brand new type of sound chip called an R2R DAC. Think of it like an old school recipe that sounds more natural and organic. You still get that warm sound, but with much better detail and clarity. For the power, the DM15 blows the DM13 out of the water. It pushes nearly double the power through the balanced output. So if you've got big, hard to drive headphones, the DM15 handles them with ease. Both players work as Bluetooth transmitters and USB sound cards, but the DM15 adds a few extras. You get a remote control. The DM13 doesn't have one. You get 8 EQ presets plus bass modes, giving you 24 different sound options. The display is bigger and clearer, and the disc spins almost silently. The DM13 could squeak a little. Battery life on the DM15 is around 7 hours. Both players can also rip your CDs into audio files. The DM13 is around $170. The DM15 costs about $270. That's a $100 difference. The question is it worth it? Well, if you're on a budget and just want to enjoy your CDs again, the DM13 is a solid choice. It still sounds great. But if you want the best sound, more power, better design, and extras like a remote and an EQ modes, the DM15 is absolutely worth the extra $100. It's a proper upgrade in every way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like the video if it helped, and subscribe for more audio comparisons like this one. See you in the next one.